Let me tell you about an amazing prescription, something available to everyone. It's cost-effective and free of charge to patients served. There's no insurance paperwork or copay. It has the capacity to transform lives, and the side effects are great, ranging from increased physical strength and elevated spirits to renewed quality of life. The name of this prescription is exercise. For more than 20 years, Kourage Health has been changing the dynamics of care for individuals with serious health conditions based on the premise that movement matters. This story began in 2001 in Tyler, Texas, as the late Dr. Gary T. Kimmel saw the powerful effects of supervised medical exercise for his cancer patients. Even for those who could barely walk, slow but steady progression enhanced physical and mental health and changed mindsets from victim to survivor.
I decided at the time of my retirement that I would start an intervention. It had really never been done before. Most of them were end of life, but they had one common denominator. They had a will to live. All these patients were basically homebound initially. I thought most of them should probably be in hospice, but to my amazement, with this new intervention, if you will, I saw actually incredible results. There will never be a new medicine, another drug that will ever replace it. What is this marvelous intervention? It's an exercise prescription.
Based on the initial success of his idea, Dr. Kimmel created Cancer Foundation for Life and its signature medical exercise program, Fit Steps for Life. In 2023, the nonprofit organization unified its identity under a new name, Kourage Health, to better represent its growing mission. Kourage Health combines the science of bodily movement, or kinetics, with the physical and emotional benefits of courage. The result, an innovative, encouraging community that is moving healthcare in new directions.
Physical activity and exercise is medicine because it maintains our own immune system, it maintains our own heart, it maintains our brain, and the ailments that affect all of those organs are frequently improved with movement.
Kourage Health has expanded its mission statement to officially embrace patients with a host of serious health conditions while maintaining its cancer care legacy. The organization creates a welcoming environment for each individual. Most would not feel comfortable visiting a traditional gym, yet patients describe a sense of empowerment when entering a Kourage Health center.
Exercise is not just exhaustion. It's not just achieving a number of miles. It is being able to do the movements that help you stand up out of bed and walk to the bathroom in the morning on your own. With an exercise therapist who walks you through a personalized program, you can look back in 2 weeks and 4 weeks and not even realize how far you came until you turn around and look at where you were.
Based on physician referrals, Kourage Health has provided medical exercise therapy to thousands of patients at its centers and through online sessions. All benefit from personalized assessment and instruction based on their unique challenges and goals.
They're going through the same thing. They all have a common goal. They're on the journey together and they want to be there to support each other and really just overcome their diagnosis and be more than their diagnosis. Many patients often tell us that this is the part of their treatment that they can control.
The patients that I've interviewed and assessed have both demonstrated an increase in strength and endurance by our quantitative data, the numbers, but when you hear those stories that they've gotten their lives back because of this program, that really is heartwarming.
I'm so thankful for Kourage Health and what they've been to me on my healing adventure and journey. You got to know people on Zoom classes that you would have never met otherwise, that have been through some of the same health issues that I have, but we were there for one reason, to get better. This program has saved my life. Being able to have the positive attitude to see the people that you're Zooming with inside your house because my immune is so compromised, from the exercises that were provided to me to help me build my strength back up, I was able to have the stem cell transplant. Had I not had this program available to me, I wouldn't be sitting here in front of you as I am today, with a humble heart and grateful to the people that have donated, that started this, that helped me be who I am right now, and hopefully to get better and better with each day. I am a cancer survivor thanks to Kourage Health.
It was a normal day. Glenn had gone to work. He was a pharmacist, and so he was standing at the window at the time this all happened. He went down. It had been an aneurysm that had burst. It was a very bad brain bleed, and so they rushed him to the hospital at that moment. We went from the hospital to continued care to rehab at our darkest time, when Medicare was pulling out and when I wasn't seeing any movement forward. Kourage Health was the one that stepped in and gave us that peace and that hope to continue to go on.
The exercise specialist is they just love you. That's it. That's pretty much it. They're there to show their love towards you.
When we came to Kourage Health, Glenn was wheelchair bound. By a month in, he was standing, and then another month, he started to walk. They're heroes in my mind.
And that's what our mission and our vision is, to get a standard of care of exercise at no charge for the lifetime of the patient. You have a patient that's in a wheelchair and they walk again. How do you put a price on that? It's priceless.
With its ongoing expansion, including a wider diversity of patients, Kourage Health faces new challenges and tremendous opportunities. The organization receives no reimbursement from private insurance, Medicare, or other healthcare coverage. Instead, the power of philanthropy supplies needed financial resources and fosters a culture of courage.
I'm very passionate about this cause, and so when I talk to people, they can feel my passion because I've seen the results personally. I didn't read them somewhere. I've seen them. I experienced them.
Kourage Health is an organization of big dreams. Through our ever-expanding programs, combined with our research initiatives, we foresee a time when medical exercise will be prescribed as the standard of care. I invite you to join Kourage Health to build a stronger, healthier community and world. As an advocate, patient, caregiver, volunteer, or donor, you are part of our family. Now is the time to say, I am Kourage Health.
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 We are Kourage Health.